So this is the difference between an unlocked rear differential for a Latrax Teton versus a locked rear differential with Gorilla Glue. Go for it, guys.
Oops.
Unlocked versus locked. Rookie drivers. Okay guys, let's try it again.
Okay. That was fun.
Everybody loses pins.
We have basically no pins.
Okay, try it again.
You're just pushing off. Okay.
Unlocked, locked.
Ah!
Unlocked, locked. Cole, yours with the locked rear end sure does help you crawl through. Alright guys, do you notice a difference in driving?
Yeah. Yes.
So Jacob, do you want us to lock your rear end as well?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, we'll do that with the Gorilla Glue.